Welcome back to TechRadar. I'm Matt Phillips, and we have a super exciting unboxing for you today. It's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. It's a long name, but it's an interesting phone, a foldable phone, 5G capable from Samsung. So let's unbox it, see what's in the box, boot it up, and take a quick look at it for you guys. So here we go, sliding that out of there, putting that to one side, and there it is. Yes, you want a nice unboxing experience like that, don't you? Paying this much for a phone, obviously, currently retailing at about £1,799. Just that little bit of extra flash, pizzazz, that's what you want from a phone like this. Spin that around so I can read it for you guys. Change the shape of the future. There it is, a little bit of a welcome letter for you there. Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of a smartphone experience, unlock endless versatility, and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. There it is. Is it the new mobile era? What do we think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you think foldable phones are the future of phones. I'm genuinely interested to see what you think. In 10 years' time, are we all going to be running around with devices that open up into tablets? Or do you think we're more likely to go for the foldable phones that go down from sort of normal-sized smartphones into smaller versions? I'm interested to see what you think. What have we got here? We got a little SIM eject tool there. Good. We're going to need that in a second. And then a load of information, kind of your standard fare, I think. Oh, that's everything in there. Quick start guide, warranty card, and regional lock guide. We're not going to get too much into that, but it's nice to know it's all there, stuff to check out for later. And then here we are. This is it, guys, the device itself. Now, already I'm kind of surprised, actually. In my head, I thought for sure this would come in the box folded, not unfolded like it is here, but there it is. The device, guys, unfolded straight out of the box. Care instructions right there on the front. Now, obviously, when you're paying this much for a phone, you want to take care of it. You want to know exactly how to take care of it. So we appreciate that there being on the front. For now, just a quick look at that Mystic Bronze color. There it is. Ooh, three lens camera module there on the back as well. But for now, let's put that to the side and check out what's in the rest of the box first. So we have here the Galaxy Z Premier Service. Your Galaxy foldable device comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. Nice to see that there. A little bit of extra protection. Like I say, it's a premium device, it's an expensive device, so it's worth knowing you've got the extra there. What have we got here? We've got the USB-C to USB-C cable right there. USB-C to USB-C, obviously used to charge the device. Put that to one side for now. What have we got here? Another cable. Oh, a little pair of earbuds. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting a pair of earbuds in here. Wired earbuds. Obviously USB-C connection there to go into the phone. And then a little pair of wired earbuds in with your device. That's a nice little touch. Again, something I wasn't expecting, but nice to know it's there. Also, a whole bevy of tips there for your earbuds so you can measure them out to your own ears. And then just a little bit of cardboard to space stuff out in there then. And then obviously the 25-watt fast charger. Nice to see this in the box. As we now know, not all premium flagship phones come with a charging block. So nice to see that you get it in here. Pop that up and we can get things charged. Hopefully the phone has a little bit of battery in it already so we can check it out for you guys. But that's it, nothing else in the box there. Put that away for now and let's get to the device itself. Obviously these care instructions on the front, very important. Do not press on the screen or front camera lens with hard, sharp objects such as a pen or fingernail. Doing so could result in product damage such as scratches or dents. When folding the device, make sure that there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed between the screens, as doing so may cause damage. This device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid or small particles such as water, coffee, or sand may cause product damage, such as scratches or dents on the screen. It is recommended that you do not remove the screen protector film and do not install other films or stickers, as doing so may cause product damage. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician before use. Like I say, it's an expensive device. You want all that care information right there in front of you as you open it up, so you can make sure you look after this device the way you need to. But right now, let's jump into it. Get rid of the film. Oh, satisfying. It's always so satisfying. Bang. And there it is. Here's our first fold of the Samsung Galaxy Fold2 5G. There it is. Magic. Absolute magic. Unbelievable. And there it is. Unfold. Fold. Unfold. Fold. Now, obviously, you've got that stiffer hinge in this version of the Fold, so you can put it pretty much at any angle you want, and it's going to stick around. But it feels smooth. That mystic bronze color there on the back, you can see with the kind of matte finish. And again, that three lens camera system there on the back. You've also got a hole punch just here for your front-facing camera, which is the front of this phone. I guess that's up for debate. But you've got a hole punch just here for the front-facing camera, and then a hole punch on the inside as well. So interesting to see how that looks when it's all turned on. But without further ado, let's turn it on, shall we? Has it got no juice? Boom! No, it does have juice. Look at that. Took a second to get going, but there it is. And we are in. Let's go indeed. Now, we're at the startup. We're going to start it up. We're going to get it ready. But what I want to try now is if I open this, will this now just automatically transfer into tablet mode? It does. It does. That's exactly what you want. You want that ease of use. Perfect stuff. All right. So there it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy Fold Z2 5G. Everything that comes in the box. You got your power cable. You got your wired headphones with extra ear tips. You've got your 25-watt fast charging plug. Thanks so much for watching. Like I mentioned earlier, please do let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Samsung Galaxy Fold2 5G. And more importantly, if you think foldable phones are the future, I'm really excited to hear what you guys have to say. I've been Matt Phillips with TechRadar. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing to TechRadar on YouTube so you don't miss any of our future phones coverage. And finally, all that's left to do is remind you to head to techradar.com for all the latest tech news and reviews. I will see you next time.